Hi, I'm Anurag, and this is Sentinel, your autonomous systems administration framework. This is meant to interact with your OS using LLMs while having the governance policy and safety precautions handled by Orchestra. So, the problem, as I mentioned, is the LLM might take actions which might harm the OS itself or uh, mess with critical processes. The governed autonomy through Orchestra proposes rules, so the LLM is not allowed to do tasks or at least requires permission to do critical tasks so that the OS is safe and the actions can still be done by the LLM and without harming the OS. For the tech stack, we use Orchestra for orchestration. We use MCP tools made with FastMCP from with Python. Intelligent, the LLM is run locally on Olama and also with API keys from Claude and Gemini. The infrastructure, the containers, the Docker container is running on the Orchestra is running on Docker, and for isolation, we are using multipass for virtualization. So our host OS is unharmed in case of any failure during testing. Key features are we have tested with simultaneous systems while managing two VMs at the same time with the host PC. MCP tools running all across the VMs and host PC, and the LLM manages all of them at the same time. We have deterministic guardrails so that the LLMs will not terminate processes which are critical to the system. We have human in the loop intervention, so the critical processes require approval. The agent has file system MCP tools which can be used to read file and gain context in case a file edit is required. We have the system monitoring API MCP tool which will help the LLM know the current system status and make decisions accordingly. Let's get to the demo. Let's get to the architecture. In architecture, we have Docker running on Orchestra here, and with the bridge, it is interacting with Olama and other MCP tools. For in Orchestra, we have all the MCPs set up. We have tool policies, custom policies for few tools, and others are on allow or context basis. Here we have a sample chat where the Orchestra was asked to run the Docker container, for which it used the shell command and gave me the output of the currently running Docker containers, where it can also create files, send desktop notifications directly so when the tasks are done. There are instances where the LLM is blocked from doing things which are not under its reach. This is a telemetry printout. Thank you.